Alright guys, today is going to be a real quick video. I'm running out to Jessie Coulter's out in Bowling Green at Jessie's garage. I'm going to take this rear end out there. I got it all cleaned up and shit, and we're going to hammer out there to Bowling Green, be about an hour drive or so. It's not really an important video, more or less just letting you know what's going on. I guess I'm going to go in here and open the back door real quick and load that bitch up in the back of the truck. Alright, before I head out to Jessie's, I got the rear end in the back of the truck. I'm just going to give you a quick overlook of it real quick before we head out. Y'all cut these lower brackets off, excuse the wind. It's pretty fucking bad out here right now. Cleaned it up about as best as I could. But now I'm going to head out to Jessie's garage real quick. He's the one that did the cage in my orange car. So I know he's going to do a hell of a job on this too. So let's head there now. Alright, we made it down here to Jessie's garage. Check it out. Alright, I'm back from Jessie's garage. I'm actually sitting here editing this video from the rear end right now, watching a little bit of Lights Out. They're actually down there right now at Lights Out with Alan Phelps. This video was basically, like I said, it's nothing important. It was just to give you guys an update on the car, and that way you can follow along what's going on. The mounts that Jessie will be using is TRZ mounts. I'll put the link in the description below. Also, I got to come up with a custom URL like Wilson and Cars or something like that. Get rid of Daniel Wilson on the YouTube channel name. I need to come up with something snappy. Let's watch real quick and see what Alan does real quick in this run.
So one of the indicators, one of the telltales or signs of the X275 category, very tight grouping in the middle of the field. Number 11 and 22 qualifier here, Phelps was 450, Whitaker was 457, so less than a 10th spread. Put them 10 qualifying spots apart, or 11 qualifying spots apart. Whoa, man, Whitaker's completely sideways trying to get onto it, and it's going to be Alan Phelps.
Well, we didn't get much of Alan Phelps because the other car about crashed itself. But Alan going on to the next round, so that's awesome. Congratulations to Jessie and those guys. Again, it's not a big video, just a little bit of bullshit. Like I said, I'll get the TRZ mounts in the link description below, and back on the URL stuff. I need a name. I need something snappy or something that'll catch everybody's eye, because I want to start an Instagram account and everything, so that way you guys can keep up with me even more on what I'm doing. But other than that, that's all I got for this video. I'd say in about a couple of weeks I'll have the rear end back, and then at that point we'll make another video, and we'll get this shit going again, and hopefully we can hit those 5s this year. That's what we really want to do. We're gonna hit 5s. I'm hoping I do it the first damn weekend out, and then we can move on to something else. Anyways, we'll talk to you later, guys.